I'm Molly from Flipper Mouse, and today we're going to be doing a special show, which you will see in a minute, and by the title you can tell. But I'm not going to tell you, because I'm joined here today with Heather, my dear friend, and Jasmine, from Jasmine Lucky. And we are going to be doing, I'm the director, and as you can tell by the thing, we're going to be doing how animals eat their food.
I got my finger stuck.
Heather!
No.
And so,
Heavy stuck.
let's get on with it then.
Roll the tape.
Hey. Hey. Do you want to see how animals eat their food? Watch closely. No!
It's gone weird.
What kind of shapes eat?
So that was all. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below which one was your favourite. And yeah, like and subscribe. We will see you again soon. Like and subscribe to
Flipper Mouse.
I hope you enjoyed.